Justice over convictions is the mission and mantra of my office. This has been the mission and mantra of my office. It will continue to be the mission and mantra of my office until I'm no longer state's attorney. This morning, I instructed my office to dismiss the criminal case against Adnan Syed following the completion of a second round of touch DNA testing of items that were never tested before. Those items include skirt, pantyhose, shoes, and jacket of Miss Hae Min Lee. Although no DNA was recovered from the skirt, the pantyhose, or jacket swabs, there was a DNA mixture of multiple contributors on both Miss Lee's shoes, the same multiple contributor for both of Miss Lee's shoes. And most compellingly, Adnan Syed, his DNA was excluded. My office received notice of these results on Friday. This morning, I personally reached out to the victim's attorney to inform Miss Lee's family of the DNA findings and my decision to dismiss the case. We attempted to wait for confirmation of notice before releasing anything publicly, but we still, at this point, have not heard back from that attorney. As we communicated to the family before, we stand ready and willing to provide whatever counseling or support services that may be needed for that family who has had to relive an unimaginable nightmare over and over again. Equally heartbreaking is the pain and the sacrifice and the trauma that has been imposed not just on that family, but Adnan and his family, who together spent 23 years in prison for a crime as a result of a wrongful conviction. The fundamentals of the criminal justice system should be based on fair and just prosecution, and the crux of the matter is that we are standing here today because that wasn't done 23 years ago.
Today is a day that Adnan Syed and his loved ones have been waiting for 23 long years. The results of the DNA testing exclude Adnan and confirm what Adnan and his supporters have always known. Adnan Syed is innocent. The state of Maryland has dropped the charges. Adnan Syed is free. On behalf of Adnan, we are grateful to the Office of the State's Attorney and Adnan's many supporters who never gave up on him. We offer our deepest sympathy to the family of Hae Min Lee, and we join in the hope that an investigation will bring them real answers and a sense of closure. Adnan will not be making a comment at this time, and we would ask that you give him and his family space and privacy to be able to process and to begin to heal.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.